Everyone, and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to fix Samsung Wallet Quick Access not working. If Quick Access, that is when you swipe up, it's called a swipe up shortcut. If it is not working for Samsung Wallet, you can try these steps. First, you have to enable Quick Access in Settings. How? Open the settings, tap on Display, tap on Navigation Bar, tap Quick Access Shortcut, and ensure Samsung Wallet is toggled on. Then you have to restart your phone. A simple reboot can fix temporary glitches. Then you take step 3, which is to update Samsung Wallet by going to the Galaxy Store or Play Store, searching for Samsung Wallet and tapping on Update. You can also clear Wallet app cache by going to Settings, tap on Apps, tap on Samsung Wallet, tap on Storage, and tap on Clear Cache. It also helps. If it doesn't work, you can re-add cards. Open Samsung Wallet, remove the cards that are there, and then re-add those cards. It sometimes fixes authentication issues. Step 6 is to check for Samsung updates. Now go to Settings, tap on Software Updates, and download and install pending operating system updates. Then step 7 is to reset app preferences. You can reset this by going to Settings, then tap on Apps, tap on Menu, and tap on Reset App Preferences. It will not delete your data. Then step 8 is to reinstall Samsung Wallet. You can uninstall the updates and reinstall again from Galaxy Store. Then step 9 is to test in safe mode. Boot into safe mode. How? Hold the power button, then tap safe mode to check for app conflicts. Then the last step to take is to contact Samsung support. If this continues after all the steps you've taken, simply go to Samsung members app and contact them for live support. Hope you found this video helpful.